Trump is a criminal. New Yorkers know it. Americans need to know it.
The year is about to end, and Donald Trump's legal woes just don't seem to end. The former US president was charged in 4 criminal cases in a span of just 5 months. In the latest, his lawyers entered a plea to get an early verdict in the New York civil business fraud case. The plea was rejected by Judge Arthur Engoron, as he told Trump's lawyer, and I quote, "There's no way I'm going to grant that." He was even fined twice for refusing to obey a gag order issued by the judge. New York's Attorney General Letitia James filed the lawsuit against Trump. Listen to what she had to say.
Donald Trump and the other defendants have committed persistent and repeated fraud. Last week, we proved that in our motion for summary judgment.
Interestingly, unlike other cases, this trial does not have a jury. Letitia James brought the lawsuit under a state law that doesn't allow a jury. This leaves Trump's fate in the hands of the presiding judge. Trump certainly had something to say about it.
It's a disgraceful trial put forward by an attorney general who's corrupt. We have murders going all over the city, all over the state at a record level. It's an epidemic, and they waste their time on this. And we're going to be here for months with a judge that already made up his mind. It's ridiculous. He's a Democrat judge, he's an operative, and it's ridiculous.
Letitia James alleges that Donald Trump duped several banks and insurers by inflating his wealth on financial documents to secure deals and loans. Meanwhile, Trump calls the trial a witch hunt and alleges that James's actions are politically motivated. All this while Letitia James maintains her stance.
This case was brought simply because it was a case where individuals have engaged in a pattern and practice of fraud. And lastly, I will not be bullied. And so Mr. Trump is no longer here. The Donald Trump show is over. This was nothing more than a political stunt.
The case and its verdict threatens the former president's real estate empire. If proven guilty, Trump could even lose the right to conduct business in New York. Trump earns significantly from his real estate ventures, and with a campaign to fund, every penny counts at this point. The Associated Press reported in October that Trump is spending millions on legal fees. Trump's Save America Political Action Committee has spent $37 million on 60 different law firms since January 2022, according to the Federal Election Commission.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today Newsmo.